Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. Cryptographics, cryptographic services high disk uses or CPU uses in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, search CMD, run as administrator. Now type this command net space stop space cryptsbc, then press enter. Now minimize it, open File Explorer. This PC, C drive, now Windows folder, here open the folder System32. Now here guys you will see this folder cat root 2. Right click on it and delete this folder. Type this code, second code, net start cryptsbc, and exit and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.